Remove the instrument cluster. First, bring the steering wheel as far out and down as possible. This provides more room to work. Switch off the ignition. Use a wedge to pry out the outer plastic frame of the instrument cluster. Take the reset button out of its holder. Loosen the 4 screws securing the instrument cluster. There is one at the lower right, one at the upper right, and 2 on the left side. To prevent the screws from dropping, loosen them so that they remain inserted in the threads of the instrument cluster. Continue to loosen the screws. Pull out the instrument cluster. After pulling the plug, you can remove the complete instrument cluster.